everybody. I'm still in creative. I'm back on the firework world. We're going to be joined by Harry today. Look, he just joined. He's got his new skin. The wither skull isn't part of his skin. It's just something he's got on. So he's just spawned in. He shouldn't actually spawn there. He should spawn where I am, but who cares? So hello, Harry. Okay, what happened? Oh, I accidentally. Hello, Harry. Wait, pardon?
Hello.
Yep, Harry just said hello. This is exciting. So, you know, like the always day thing? You can set it to always day. Okay. Harry, stop. Okay. So, first come over here. Oh, look, there's some buttons. Why don't you press them? The buttons. What about this side one? I wonder what this side one does. Over here? No, here. Like the one I'm standing on here. Here. This one here. So, where we where we are, it's like fireworks night. So, oh, there's also a button over here. If you come and see, come on. So, guys, this main episode is just going to be about showing Harriet. Unfortunately, Bee Cheerful won't be joining us. I will still make her react to it. It went up. Look, I'll press it for you. Wait. Yeah. No, stop, stop, stop. Get off, get off, get off! Stand over here, you're meant to jump over here. Harry can't do anything. Wait. Okay. Jump over and follow here, go round here, and then just walk, just run past over there. Onto the, like, gold. Harry, onto the gold. Boys these days. Whoa, they were all blue ones. Oh, wow. Did I put lots of the same ones in? I think I did. Yep, so you got to try and, like, go onto all of them. Harry's not used to all the high technology things. I will let you watch back this video after, Harry. The video of me making this. That's too much noise. The video of me making this, and you will realise how chaotic it was. It's such a long video.
Sorry, I just did all of them.
Pardon?
I just did all of them.
Yeah.
I missed all of them in the sky.
Oh. Well, so guys, I was able to grow some more of these trees off camera, and I added on another path. Did I? I don't know. Ah,
Yeah, I like the first one first, of course.
pardon?
I like the first one first, because in the middle.
Yeah, I think they all like connect. I love how your dog jumps over.
Oh, sorry.
I like I like how your dog jumps over like the moment you press it. So it's like the dog's doing it. Oh, you haven't actually seen the safeguarding area yet. So, wait. Stop. Now you can go. So if you open these gates, that is very wonky. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. If you open these gates, now choose which fireworks you want. So in the one that you just opened, it is the colour red. So you've got the choices between red, like green type, light blue, or pink. That one's pink. The one that this one's light blue. Light blue? I'll give them to you. They're there. Okay, and now you can just like go crazy and set off your fireworks. Now I'm gonna give you another little show here. Just one across for you.
I just did one that you made.
No, go to the safeguarding area. The fireworks I gave you are used in the safeguarding area. Da-don. No, in the safeguarding area. Over here. Like, I built this whole area for people just to go crazy with the fireworks I gave them, but you're not doing that.
I said sorry.
Let's shut the gates. And with the fireworks I gave you, you can make your own things. Oh, wow. I'm glad you like it.
It's
Wow.
firework
You
night.
can get some more
It's
colours.
firework
You can
night.
get some more colours if you like. Remember to stay in the safeguarding area, though, if you're going to set off those fireworks. Because I'm a professional and I made that area. Dun.
I don't know which one the witch, so I'm not.
So, how do you like this? Sorry if this episode's a bit short, guys. I thought it would be like way longer. I guess it's not. Well, is there anything, other ideas, Harry, that you have and you think that I could do?
The buttons went.
Oh, no, they didn't. Ah. So, guys, leave down in the comments below if you like Harry's new skin. Also, I think Harry's I think Harry's tamed this dog. Leave down in the comments what you think he should call it. Because right now he doesn't have a name, and he should get a name. So leave down in the comments below what you think. That should only be used in the safeguarding area, Harry. Unless you're going on the pressure plates. So leave down in the comments below what you think Harry's dog should be called. I didn't know he tamed this dog till this episode, guys. Well, maybe we could build our own firework themed houses on here. Do you think that'd be a good idea,
I
Harry?
love this.
Do you think that would be a good idea? What?
Yeah.
Okay. Also, I'm gonna jump into the water. I just feel like it. uh, so I'm glad Harry's enjoying this, and I know it's a bit late. Sorry we weren't able to on actual firework night. I'm sure you're all too busy with your and fireworks. How did you spend your firework night? Leave down in the comments below.
Oh, I was doing fireworks.
Okay, let's make it day now. I think we should build our own firework themed type houses. What do you think?
Yes.
So
Oh
we'll
my gosh.
we can build them in creative and then live in them in survival.
My dog just stepped on me.
What?
My dog just stepped on the fire.
Cool. Let's. Wow. But it's daytime, so I think we should go and start houses. There's also some pumpkins here. Survival.
Where? I don't know.
There's only two. Halloween's past. Go and check out Bee Cheerful's Halloween special. Um, I'll leave the name of her channel down in the description below. So, I think we should start building our houses. What do you think? This episode is going to be too short. So you can carry on playing with the fireworks, and then when you get bored of that, building your house. Okay, so here's some iron we can get in survival. I'm not going to get any like cool tools in survival. I'm going to get everything out of my inventory and just live in my house happily. Hmm. Does that place? We could do this. We're going to get rid of here. Sorry if you think that that's not right. I want like a house that's in the water, if that makes sense. And Harry sounds like he's having a lot of fun with those fireworks, so I'm glad he liked it. All that hard work on the my last episode was worth it. Sorry I haven't been filming as much as I have recently. I before when I was filming a lot, it was because I wasn't having to go to school. Now I'm going to school and I've got schoolwork to be going on to in 6 hours that I'm at school. So I won't always be able to record them. I'll try and record as much as I can. Um, but I don't know how it's gonna go. All I know is that I'm gonna try. And hopefully you guys are loving the videos I'm doing and my content. Thank you for everybody who is watching, and yeah, carry on with building this.
Shooting arrows at the sun.
Okay, so leave down in the comments below a name for Harry's new dog, and I'm guessing he's gonna live with you in the house with us. We're gonna build. I haven't started building my house yet. I'm guessing you haven't. Harry, do you know that fireworks can run out?
Yes. So I'm getting some more.
Okay. Remember to leave some for Be Cheerful though. I know you probably can't hear Harry right now. Sorry. All I can hear though is his Kindle's fireworks sounds. He's playing on Pocket Edition. The only reason we can play together is because we've got the same network, I think. So yeah. But he is signed in, so it's not like he's on that trial. Okay. It's looking good. I've only got this to get rid of now, and I don't want any flows. So I think there's going to be. I'm also doing docks recently, so maybe there could be like a dock coming over to here where my house is going to be. I think that could be. Now, how are you going to start building your house soon? What? Yeah, you love the fireworks, but you should start building your house soon. Remember, they've got to be firework themed, or it doesn't have to be firework themed at all. You could just have loads of firework decorations in there. I think that's along the lines of what I'm gonna do. Just not have a firework themed house, but who knows? I might have like try and do a firework like kind of banner, maybe outside my house. I haven't got big plans yet, really. Just I'm excited to see the progress we're gonna make. Now, like Bee Cheerful's Halloween hunt, I think we're gonna go on it every year around that time. So, for example, this one we're gonna go on quite recently and on here so you can um what what am I saying? So that we can just have fun on here while the time while we can. And then next year we'll come back on here, maybe movements to our houses. And sorry if I'm wrong, Be Cheerful, but I'm sure that you're doing um you're going no you're going to carry on with your Halloween hunt next year as well. She didn't get around to doing that ceremony this year, so I'm living in a cool. I love it.
Found it.
Yeah,
Oh, I found that once.
and I'm gonna right here. So think over there is where it's where my house is gonna be, and over here is the coral reef. So like over here is the thing, and I'm gonna be over in this one. Okay, but you're not me. It's gonna be using this one, as I'm gonna be thinking of knowing when the coral reef. Maybe
Yeah, probably, because I was back.
water breathing potions.
Hi.
So this is a question. Oh my god, I feel like. It's fun. Okay. Let's see what we can use.
That's the way to my house.
So I know I'm going to be using no, maybe dark prismarine stairs for the roof, dark oak for the walls. Let's get rid of all this that we used to build it because it's done now. And maybe some stripped spruce. And for the floor, Hmm. Think it's just gonna be stripped birch wood. Let's just and then a wall. We need a wall for that. Hmm. Think I'm gonna use the prismarine wall again. I won't finish this today, so I'll give you guys all a chance to leave down in the comments below what you think the rest of my house should look like. But right now, I'm deciding the main theme. This is gonna look very weird because I'm not like setting it out right or anything. I'm just putting a jumble together. So, maybe I want to step up actually. Let's try to get rid of all this. Get the flow back to normal. So, Harry, are you starting to build your house? Okay, you've got to show me where it is after. I hope you haven't gone too far.
Maybe I want a bridge as well.
Oh, I'm building like a dock kind bridge thing to get to my house.
Here, hello.
Where are you? Hello, where are you? Oh, you start to your house. Maybe you could just do a bit of terraforming here, and you should have a step up so they don't have to jump. You should put a step there. Put some like wood on the side. I'm sure your house will look really good once it's done. Why are you putting anvils outside? That's something I really love about Harry, that just an anvil, he can use it to decorate something. Like most of us wouldn't think to use an anvil for decoration. But it's pretty cool how I did. 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay.
I don't know how to get to that.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Found it.
Then do it. Yeah.
Oh,
2, 3.
and so done.
No, you're not.
I accidentally threw away the fireworks.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry.
We can refill them. This is, yeah, this is normal day. It just looks like chorus dirt. Leave down in the comments below if you think that looks like chorus dirt. Was it just me? Yeah, just, it's dirt. It really looks like chorus dirt, like those dark bits. I don't know, I'm just being silly. Okay. Wait, what's that up there? Is it a sheep? Snow. 1 block of snow. 1. Cool. Our house is really not that far. We can make a path. Yeah, how you should put. Oh yeah, you already put a stair there. Oh, I really like your theme. Maybe you should make the bridge 3 blocks so that you can put a fence.
Nope, I don't want that.
Okay, well done, Harry. Okay, I think that. So again, we're going to start on this side and go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Done. So that's just 10 really. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then put it on 11 like that. I think that is it. Okay, now we can put back all this dirt. Sorry if you think that I probably shouldn't make these holes. It just helps me to count, knowing that, because sometimes just using the target's a bit hard, so this works.
They're even that far from you.
Oh wow, I can see your house from like where my house is gonna be. Wait, we could like, if you have a window, I could see your house because I'm gonna have like a
Harry,
window.
can you do this?
Do you like Harry's robot hand, guys? He's Anakin Skywalker. That was the theme. Oh, of the hand.
I don't need a map because it doesn't
One,
help me.
two, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Wait, we wanted some prismarine. Wait, the roof's gonna be made out of prismarine, yeah. I'm still going with the theme. So, how's your house coming along? Oh no, it started raining. What? Oh.
I haven't even done a roof yet.
Weather clear. Uh,
I'm just gonna say in my doorway.
okay. Then
Oh, you finished.
I made that happen. I have the power!
Where's your door? I need a door.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wait, look at me.
How are you? I didn't see you. Oh, you're wearing. Yeah, I think you can breathe underwater with that. I'm not sure. Please tell in the comments below if I'm wrong.
Yes, you can, because there's bubbles there.
No, but you're creative, so we don't know what that means. It's a turtle.
I found what you found, but even I found it before.
Maybe we could
Oh,
have
look,
like.
your house. Great. That means I wash my hands. Can you help me?
um
I'm stuck in the forest.
TP. Hammy Bob 351. That's his Minecraft name, by the way. Harry, you weren't lost. I actually teleported to you, but then I found out that you really weren't lost. Yeah, like I could see your house. The moment I teleported to you, the first thing I saw was your house, Harry. You thought you'd gone so far. Let- Okay, remember we're gonna go into survival after this.
Our houses.
Yeah.
No. Even if you're done, can you still be greater than I am?
Yeah, sure. I thought I saw a dog there. Must have just been some birch. Anyway, we still need a name suggestion for your dog.
I don't want to name my dog.
I think you should. So, hopefully, somebody in the comments will leave down what they think that your dog will be called. And if there is a really good name, then we'll name your dog it. If there's a name you like, I mean, it is your dog.
I think I have 2 floors.
Mine's, I'm not sure yet. I haven't made very big plans for my house yet.
I have.
For my
That's
house,
mine so far.
yes. I love your creativeness with it. Like anvils for decoration. It's good. Okay. What should the floor be? I didn't think about that. Hmm. This makes noise when you step on it though, doesn't it? I think I've always thought it's really pretty though, so let's just use it. Let's fall in this area and see what sound it makes when we walk upon it. I like how it's like bluish though. I'm okay with that sound. It's good. It's a nice sound. So Harry, how's your house coming along?
It's good.
Really good.
There's no way they're done.
Same.
Oh, disconnected.
Oh, Harry disconnected. That's something that keeps happening to us. Maybe we'll be able to fix it soon. But you hadn't disconnected in a while, so that's good. He didn't, guys. He just disconnected. Remember that. Okay. Um, quartz stairs. Let's use some quartz stairs. I love how I'm just like
I just choose the jungle stairs.
jungle stairs.
Yeah.
What's wrong with that?
I don't know. I just picked it. Cool house. Looks like a castle to me.
A castle?
Yeah.
A castle?
Yes.
Cool. Cool. How you think that?
Some water. And it's a bar.
Maybe you've just given me quite a good idea. Maybe we could have a castle theme. I'm not gonna finish it this episode though, because I really want some of my viewers to get more of a chance to leave stuff down in the comments. So, okay, now maybe you should make that pathway of yours where your house is a little bit longer, Harry. Okay. Me and Harry may be starting our very own series soon called A Brother and a Sister. It's just going to be about me and Harry playing Minecraft because sometimes I might not want him on all of my Minecraft Adventures videos. So we thought that we should make a special world just for us to go play together and for all of you viewers to see what's going on. Okay. I don't know, there might be an upstairs of my house. I'm not too sure yet. So I feel like there should be a main thing here. Just something that's really catchy that would make people want to say wow. So I'm not gonna like do anything yet, and I'm gonna ask you guys to leave down in the comments what you think we should do. So do you think that our houses are looking good so far or bad? We've also got to get the firework theme going. So I'm gonna try and make a loom. I don't usually make banners. I'm not good. Okay, let's see. So, ooh, yep. So we need a banner, some dye, and that thing. Yeah. Okay. So the first, I think I want like a magenta kind of color. So magenta banner.
Base. Whoa. Oh, look.
And what would go there? Okay, I just need to like find that thing that would go there. I do know what goes there. I just can't think of the name.
Okay, just don't come yet.
Remember, this is gonna needs to be firework themed, so I'm gonna try and make like a firework banner. Um, Luck of the Sea, cool. On my main survival world, I got Luck of the Sea. I can't remember what from. So banner, creeper charge, skull charge, or flower charge. Thing, field zoned, vintage, snout.
Hold up. Oh, I did something wrong.
Let's try thing and where is it? No, and flower charge, I think. I have a lot of stuff in my inventory. I didn't realize. Let's try it. So you put. Wait, I forgot to put the dye in. I think I want a lime. Now this episode will end quite soon, hopefully. We still want it. We're just a bit obsessed with our um houses right now. Then go for that. Okay. And then lime green dye. That's the thing pattern. I wonder if that'd be a firework kind thing. Maybe, maybe. We need a firework one though. Ooh, pretty. Does that look like a firework? I feel like it does.
You should come and see my house.
For a first time, that's pretty good, I think.
Don't come yet. Don't. Please don't.
I'm not. I think that looks okay for a firework. Harry, I made a banner. Made my first banner. And I'm proud of it. It looks like a firework. And we've got to stick with our firework theme. Do we? Yes, we do. Maybe we could have like, maybe something, the things that you guys are going to leave down in the comments could have something to do with fireworks. I don't know. It's all up to you guys. All up to you. Okay. So we're going to be trying, we'll probably won't have, we haven't got long to do episodes on here, so lots of my recent episodes will be on here. Hopefully, at least one of the episodes, Bee Cheerful will be able to join us. Okay. Oh, the Wandering Trade just spawned. What are your trades? Uh, sea pickle. I do want a sea pickle, but I can get them from my own inventory. I'm in creative. I don't think Wandering Traitors help that much because it's not like you're always going to have an emerald on you. But then they show you good traits. Sometimes they show you really bad traits like grass or something like that.
I'm
Um.
nearly done even though my house is so big. Don't look.
Oh, I might have just had a little peek. I'm sure your house is going to be amazing. Remember to use lots of different wood types.
Me.
Mhm. If you're gonna use your house out of wood. Can I just go see?
No.
Okay, okay. I can go?
No.
Okay. Ah, it's glitching into it, I think. That was a problem there. Oh wow, I like your balcony. Ooh, two floors. Now I understand what you meant when you said you're gonna have two floors. Oh wow.
It's always raining on this world.
Annoying. Well done, Harry.
I know.
You probably want to make like the fences come up a bit more here.
I don't. No, I don't.
Oh, but then skeletons can like shoot,
I will, but not yet.
but you can still see through. Pound name cool, 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 cool. Come and see my banners. I made them using the loom. I like my loom now.
No.
Oh, okay.
I disconnected.
Oh dear. It's okay. It's okay.
I see them. They connect.
Yeah, it's meant to look like
Press hey, then it says you're not just coming on.
mhm. Yeah, that's annoying. So I'm having like this pointy roof. Should we have an upstairs? I'm not sure if we should have an upstairs.
Me.
No, if I should. I shouldn't say we. Well, my viewers are with us, so I could say we.
I joined.
It says you did. It says you joined the game.
Did I?
You joined the game. Yes, you joined the game. Yes, you joined the. uh, um,
I disconnected straight away.
uh, he wasn't on. Oh, this rain is so annoying. Let's sort out my house then, so that we don't have to see the light of rain again. Leave down in the comments if this looks like a firework or not. Think it does. Think it does. Think it
How did you
does.
make them?
Well, you need a loom. And I used, what pattern did I use? Oh no, I didn't. I'll show you another
How do
day.
you get a sword?
We're not allowed to, when we go into survival though, you won't be allowed it. But you can get a sword for like creative, like if any mobs are coming into your house.
Maybe not.
So we're gonna have a clear inventory when we go into survival, but we're still gonna have like our houses. So if you put like a shulker box and a crafting area in your house, you'd be allowed to keep all that. You can hear just blocks. I'm sorry if I'm going to be quite silent for this bit. Okay. Okay.
Can we go upstairs?
We're going to finish this episode soon. I just can't wait for the next episode. Maybe we could have like, maybe lime. No. If we did.
Okay. I might have to go with
Okay. So,
I disconnect too much times.
yep, Harry's disconnected quite a lot of times now. So I'm just gonna fill in the outline of this and finish this episode for you all. Okay. Actually, let's just finish this whole thing. Yeah, I finished the roof today. Okay.
Bye bye.
Now we're still gonna have some windows in here. This is gonna be in a very nice clay. In area, leave down in the comments what you think we should put as like a big exciting thing. Harry's gone now, so my so far house, I think it's pretty good, and I'm really quite proud of Harry for his house. Now, um, yeah, his house isn't done yet, but I'm proud of him. He's quite young and he's built this house, so that's good. Well done. Um, I think I'm gonna go put some flowers inside my house and then just finish off this episode. Okay. Um, so first, start off with lilies of the valleys, lilacs, and roses. Oh, no, it's a rose bush. And then what else? I'm not sure. Let's just use these for now. So I think flowers grow in like big bundles. So we do like one area here. What do you think of this, guys? Do you think it looks good? I know flowers don't grow in big bundles like this, but it's enough of a bundle to be convinced it's built to be natural, I think. And then some more lilacs. Lilacs, I think, were a bit more spread out, so There we are.